This guide will show you how to disable the AI overview feature in your Google Chrome search results. To begin, you need to click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then from the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side of the settings, click on Search Engine. Then at the bottom of that section, click on Manage Search Engine and Site Search. Scroll down to Site Search section. And here, click on Add button in the right. Now give it a name, give it a shortcut, and paste this URL link in this box. Then tap on Add, which is highlighted in blue color. Now tap on the three dots and select Make Default. Now if you go back and search for anything, you will no longer see the AI overview, only the standard search results will appear. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.